people want to know everything. I was just asking the other day, a gentleman came to me and said, "Hey, Your Majesty, they want to know even the food that you eat." I'm like, I know. Next thing they're going to my bedroom. What time is he sleeping? And I look at the world and I thank parties that are up front and come up front and are willing to fight this battle. Let's not let South Africa fall into the wrong hands, please. Unfortunately for me, whoever comes into power, they find me here. And then I have to start a new relationship. And then these guys are asking about the old guy. Okay, you want the encyclopedia, go to the sithi. He's dealt with all of them. You know, when I think about the history of the late king, I know you are very close to him also. You know, God bless his heart. He went through 7 presidents. I mean, what can you tell that man? Nothing. And he's friends with all the African presidents. He knows Africa and African leadership and what Africa wants. And I listened to my man. Since the time he came into leadership, while he was still in the DL, with you, I was like, hey, that's my school. I come from a school of hard knocks like that. You know, the nations are angry. And they are looking up to us to get things right and to put things straight. And I like when I see young faces here. I'm not saying I'm against the legal, age. No. I know you look at that. We all have to look at that. You can't bring an 85-year-old man just because he's smart and make him deputy president of this party. No. We want that youth. And I know where you're getting it from. You're doing a good job. But I know you are here to get blessings. Not only from myself as the Ingulami, but also from all the late kings who came before me. My predecessors, which I do wish the best because I know what you stand for, and I'm behind you for that. I like my father. I know you're close to him. He gets emotional until he cries. The way he loves this country, He's got the same passion. I haven't seen him cry, but maybe it's coming. It depends on what's happening to the country. But I give blessings on behalf of the royal family, myself. On behalf of the Zulu nation, I think you are the most to this party, to the royal family. Not only because of the surname, the surname Mhlongo is also the family surname for us.